If I walk into a first grade classroom and I've got to step over the boots and the snow pants and everything's all over the place, and teacher says, it's time for circle, we'll get that later, it immediately raises a red flag. Circle shouldn't start, nothing should start until the boots are put where they belong, snow pants are hung up, coats are where they belong. Once that's done, it's called regulation. Especially kids who experience trauma, we're always saying these kids are dysregulated and they need to be more self-regulated. You can't get self-regulated until somebody regulates you. So the simplest thing we can do is to make sure that that's a no-brainer for us. It's non-negotiable. You come in, your boots go here, your hat goes here, your books go here, your lunchbox goes here. You will actually have a better time when you get to the circle or the reading group if you make those things happen. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.